my circular saw. That side. And this side. This is still uneven. So I need a multi-tool to finish the job. Okay. Okay, as you can see, all these stairs, like, I can't show you a good even cut because all these stairs are all messed up. Okay, so let's do, I say we do 4, so 1, 2, let's do another one. Yeah, we'll do 4 steps. Push it, move all this. Little hard sometimes. A lot of nail. Yeah. I don't want to cut to it, damage the blade. And anyway, I have to remove all the nail anyway in order for me to put a riser on. And I'm going to show you how to make a riser. You go buy plywood. On my next video, I show you how to make a riser. Instead of buying a riser, it's going to cost you another arm and a leg. Okay? This you can actually buy plywood and actually cut your own riser to the height you want, and then we just we glue it in and just put a 18 gauge in nail. we should remove all this. Okay. Little hard sometimes. A lot of nail. Yeah. I don't want to cut to it, damage the blade. And anyway, I have to remove all the nail anyway in order for me to put a riser on. And I'm going to show you how to make a riser. You go buy plywood. On my next video, I show you how to make a riser. Instead of buying a riser, it's going to cost you another arm and a leg. Okay? This you can actually buy plywood and actually cut your own riser to the height you want, and then we just we glue it in and just put a 18 gauge in nail. You know, that's all. If my wife is here, she will tell you that too. She's been with me for a while, so me and my wife, we've been together for about, this is 33. So now go, one, two, three, 4, 5. I was only about to do 4. But I had to do 5 because I accidentally cut off the wrong one. Stupidity. All right, let me cut this with my miter saw. Okay, this could be the first step. As you can see, could be. Yeah, it could be perfect. This one's not gonna be perfect. Gotta remove these now. Stupid now. dry or something. But now you got something like this. As we go put wood filler on that one, on that end. Yeah, earlier I said I'm not going to stand, but guess what? I lied. Because it seemed like some of the part is like sticking out a little too much. You can't seem to get it straight. I don't mind putting the putty, but when it's actually sticking out, if it's sticking in, you can put the wood putty. Well, it's sticking out, so I'm going to do another sand. Much better. Okay. Much better. Let's see, we'll see the rest. Let me see the rest of the stair. Okay, we go continue. Okay, we go continue installation of how to repair the nose, stair nose. Okay, after we sand it, stair nose, go glue it up. Make sure you take the paper off. Sometimes paper, forget it. Okay, once you got that on, goes like this. Okay, something like that. And then start. Like I said, usually I drill a hole right here. I drill a hole, and then I put a screw, and I put wood filter on it. This time I'm just going to use a nail gun. This has to be, I put a 2.5-inch nail instead of 2-inch nail. So the nail gun, the glue is actually going to hold it with it. See, the nail gun actually tighten it up. So once the glue is dry, that's it. Alright, we're going to do the rest. After that, we're going to put the wood dough on it. You won't see the difference. Okay, we'll finish the rest of them. Yeah, same way. Go finish all of them, and after that we'll show you the next step after this. For your information, I'm just replacing the nose and the nose only. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the wood filler. Plastic wood. This is a neutral color. Fill all that hole, and you ain't going to see it any different. See? Let me go get a smaller spatula. It's too big. The bigger the better. Remember, there's one more step. You go sand it. That's how it looks right now with the wood putty. As you can see, you're not even going to see any difference. Start looking a lot better than the original already. That has already been damaged. Some of them. Okay. You know, if you replace the stair tread, it's cost you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have to replace 13 stair treads. If you have to replace a stair tread instead of the nose, if you're doing like other people, Instead of replacing the nose, you have to replace 13 stair tread. And 13 stair tread, just say $45 a piece, times 13. Oh, you do the math. Times 10, that's $400. And 5, $600 just for the stair tread. Alright? And that's not installation and everything. That's just the stair tread alone. It's $600. This, I replaced this. Let me see. I used 2 of them, so it's $44. And to replace the whole thing, it's only 3 of them, so it's $66. $66 versus $600. Okay. Okay, the last step of the process is sanding. Okay, the last step of the process to finish the nose, sanding in the back. You know, make it all nice and even after you put the filler in that in. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like after. Just a little simple sanding. That's all it's going to take. Okay, now as you can see, look at that. Look at your nose. Nice and clean. Beautiful. You know, that's a perfect nose. Perfect nose job. Yeah. You don't need to go to a cosmetic to do this kind of nose job. Look at that. Okay. It looks even better than the one that I don't even need to repair. You see it? That compared to that. And the filler, it actually fill up the whole thing, so you can't even see it. You can't even see, you can't even tell. After you put the stain, or you paint on it, after painting or put a stain on it, you won't be able to know anything. You see it? It's a much more beautiful than the original. We'll show you from this angle as I'm going down the step. All right. That's a good nose job right there. Yeah. It's not gonna go anywhere. Go last a long time before they damage anymore. Usually when people go down the step, they always rub their shoes on the nose. That's why the nose of the stair is always messed up. Yeah. Instead of stepping the whole way, they always rub their nose. Yeah. Like I say, they always rub their nose. Okay. That's it. Now all you need to do is stain it or paint it. Beautiful nose job. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you. I appreciate it.